At Wickes, we know you'll be looking forward to your new kitchen, and we would like to explain what will happen during your installation and the essential next steps that will help you get prepared. There are some tasks that you will need to complete ahead of the start date. Firstly, before the Wickes approved installer arrives, you'll need to empty all your kitchen cupboards, clear the worktops, and store the contents away from the kitchen. We recommend that you plan ahead, as there may be limited kitchen facilities and disrupted power and water supply. A top tip is to set up a temporary kitchen area for the items you know you'll need access to. Next, decide how you will let the Wickes approved installer into your property each day. Will you be at home, or do you need to provide a spare key? We also recommend that you mention the planned works to your neighbours so they're aware of possible disruption and noise. Just remember, as you go through these preparation steps, that this is a short-term inconvenience for an amazing transformation into your dream kitchen. Before your installation date, your Wickes approved installer will agree some arrangements with you, such as which entrance they should use, what parking space will be available, who will be at home while the installation is being completed, including any pets, agreeing a start and finish time, and confirming with you times that services such as power or water will be unavailable and for how long. If you have any questions, please ask your Wickes approved installer. They will be happy to help. Safety is our #1 priority. Your Wickes approved installer will take all necessary action to maintain a safe working environment during your installation. It's important to introduce them to everyone who will be present, and they will talk you through all the safety steps needed to protect your home. Your Wickes approved installer will also ask about a few practical details. These include agreeing a safe storage area for their tools, which facilities you are happy for them to use while on site, if it's okay for a radio to be on during installation, and if they smoke, where this is allowed. They will also talk you through the schedule of works, including rubbish removal. And at the end of each day, they will let you know what services are available and the plan for the following day. Sometimes there will be a team of specialist trades on site for a short time, and your Wickes approved installer will coordinate all the activity and remain in charge of your installation. If your new kitchen includes solid surface worktops, while these are being made to order, we will fit temporary work surfaces so you can use the kitchen before the solid worktops are installed. In addition to the installer parking their vehicles outside, there may also be deliveries, so at times it may be busy and occasionally inconvenient. As your installation progresses, your Wickes approved installer will remove the old kitchen and dispose of it in a responsible way. And at the end of each day, you will have electricity and water back on, and the working area will be left tidy. On completion of the installation, your home will be left clean and tidy, with areas returned to the same condition they were before. Now the time has finally arrived to reveal your finished kitchen. Before they leave, your Wickes approved installer will do a final check on all drawers and cupboard doors, making sure they are ready for you to use. Please take this opportunity to ask any questions, and if you see anything you are not sure about, please make the Wickes approved installer aware. They want to know you are happy with their work. With all their gear packed away and the removal of the waste bag arranged, it's time to return the keys and wave goodbye, and you can start enjoying your dream kitchen. So, to recap, empty all your kitchen cupboards and work surfaces before the Wickes approved installer arrives. Decide how you want the Wickes approved installer to access your home and what facilities they can use. Make sure your neighbours are aware of potential noise and disruption. Decide how you will work around meal times with limited services, and perhaps set up a temporary kitchen area for the items you know you will need access to. Tell the Wickes approved installer which occupants will be in the home during the installation, so they can make necessary steps to keep everyone safe. Remind yourself the disruption is temporary, and you will soon be showing off your new dream kitchen. If you have any questions, the Wickes team is here to assist you. You can contact your customer experience coordinator, who is the best person to reach for any assistance you require. To get in touch, you can give them a call or you can send an email, whichever you prefer. They're here to help you. Thank you for watching.